Looking for an easy way to make money online in your spare time? In this video, I'll show you a simple and reliable rewards app where you can earn real cash or popular gift cards by completing easy tasks online. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new ways to earn. Now, let's get started. Welcome to TaskWin, the app that helps you get paid for your spare time. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or stay-at-home parent, TaskWin works for you. Sign up, complete tasks, earn rewards, and withdraw when ready. No investment, no complicated steps, just simple tasks and real rewards. Let's dive in and see how easily you can start earning with TaskWin. Getting started is fast. Sign in instantly with Google in one tap. TaskWin supports multiple languages, so you can use the app in your preferred language. Create a simple profile, pick your interests, and they'll match tasks you'll enjoy. No upfront payment is required. TaskWin is free to join and free to use. Now that you're set up, let's explore the main ways to earn cash and rewards. Complete short surveys for brands and earn cash or rewards for your opinions. Play casual games and collect rewards for milestones, levels, or daily play. Watch short promotional videos or ads and earn credits for each completed view. Finish micro tasks like app testing, image labeling, or quick data tasks for pay. Invite friends to join and earn when they complete tasks. Withdrawals are flexible. Choose PayPal for fast transfers to your account. Prefer banks? You can withdraw directly to your bank account securely. You can also cash out to crypto wallets or redeem popular gift cards. TaskWin turns spare minutes into real rewards with a clean, modern interface. Thousands of users worldwide use TaskWin to earn extra income in their free time. Download TaskWin, sign in with Google, and start completing tasks to earn today. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If this helped, please like, share the video, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Turn on notifications to stay updated, and thanks for watching.